equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of wire cutters. First, unplug your Dyson HD01 from the power source to ensure safety during the process. Next, locate the screws on the back of the vacuum cleaner. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and set them aside in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the back cover off to expose the internal components. Now, you will see the cable connected to the motor. Take a moment to inspect the cable for any signs of wear or damage. If you find any issues, it's time to replace it. Using your wire cutters, carefully cut the old cable close to the motor connection. Remember to keep the length of the new cable in mind when cutting. Before proceeding, if you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help without any hassle. Next, take your new cable and strip the ends to expose the wires. You will need to connect these wires to the motor. Make sure to match the colors correctly. Typically, the live wire is brown, the neutral is blue, and the earth wire is green-yellow. Using your flathead screwdriver, secure the wires into the motor terminals. Ensure they are tightly connected to avoid any electrical issues. Once connected, gently pull on the wires to ensure they are secure. Now, it's time to reassemble the vacuum. Carefully place the back cover back onto the unit, ensuring that all internal components are properly aligned. Replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them securely with your Phillips screwdriver. After reassembly, it's crucial to clean the internal components to ensure optimal performance. Use a soft brush to remove any dust or debris that may have accumulated inside. This will help maintain the efficiency of your Dyson HD01. If you're unsure about any step or prefer a professional diagnosis without obligation, don't hesitate to reach out. We can provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. Finally, plug your vacuum back into the power source and test it to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember, no calls, no travel. We can assist you from the comfort of your home. Congratulations! You've successfully replaced the cable on your Dyson HD01 vacuum cleaner, ensuring it runs smoothly for years to come. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.